helps choose reliable, efficient, and safe 750W power supplies, ensuring stable performance for gaming PCs and high-performance computing systems. Why today's video is about top 5 best 750W power supplies review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MOA Play Aura Pro G1 750W PSU. This RTX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 certified power supply is built for next-generation performance, making it a future-proof choice for high-end gaming and workstation PCs. With full compatibility for Intel RTX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards, it seamlessly supports NVIDIA RTX 40 and upcoming RTX 50 series GPUs. The native 12V-2x6 cable delivers up to 600W of stable power, eliminating risky adapters and safely handling extreme transient power spikes for maximum GPU reliability. Cooling and silence are top-tier thanks to a large 148mm ultra-quiet fan with Lambda A++ certification, ensuring whisper-quiet operation even under heavy gaming loads. Its Cybernetics Gold dual certification guarantees over 87% efficiency, reducing heat output and improving long-term system stability. Built with 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, it ensures rock-solid durability and long lifespan, backed by an impressive 10-year warranty. The fully modular design with premium flat cables enhances airflow, simplifies cable management, and delivers a clean, professional-looking build for enthusiasts. Now our second product is Airsgame 750W power supply. This 750W ATX power supply is a strong balance of efficiency, stability, and affordability for gaming and performance PC builds. With 80+ bronze certification and greater than or equal to 85% efficiency, it ensures reduced power waste and consistent voltage regulation, keeping your system stable even under heavy workloads like gaming or content creation. Cooling is handled by a quiet and durable 120mm fan designed to maintain optimal temperatures while keeping noise levels low, making it ideal for long gaming sessions or work environments where silence matters. The semi-modular design adds flexibility, allowing users to connect only the necessary cables for cleaner airflow and easier cable management. With 750W of reliable power, it provides enough headroom for modern GPUs and future upgrades. Built-in protections such as OVP, UVP, OPP, and SCP safeguard your valuable component from electrical damage and surges. Aesthetically, the all-black sleeve cables give your build a clean, professional, and modern look without the clutter of colorful wiring. Our third product is MSI Mag A750GL PCIe 5. This 80+ gold certified power supply is designed for users who demand efficiency, stability, and long-term reliability in modern PC builds. With high-efficiency performance, it reduces power waste, lowers heat output, and ensures consistent energy delivery even under heavy gaming or productivity workloads. Built with RTX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 support, it is fully ready for next-generation hardware, including powerful GPUs that require stable and high transient power handling. This makes it an excellent future-proof choice for gaming enthusiasts and professionals upgrading to modern systems. The fully modular design enhances cable management by allowing users to connect only the necessary cables, improving airflow and creating a cleaner, more organized build. It also simplifies installation and upgrades, especially in compact cases. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, this PSU guarantees long-term, dependable operation and peace of mind. Overall, it delivers a perfect blend of efficiency, durability, and modern compatibility for high-performance PC systems. Now number 4, Rosewell VMG 750W 80+ Gold. This Intel RTX 3.0 and 3.1 ready power supply is engineered for next-generation performance, making it an excellent choice for high-end gaming and compact PC builds. With full modular 80+ gold certification, It delivers high efficiency, reduced power loss, and cleaner cable management for improved airflow and system aesthetics. Built to handle extreme workloads, it supports up to 235% power excursion and an impressive 300% GPU power excursion, ensuring stability during sudden performance spikes for modern GPUs. The dedicated PCIe 5.112 plus 4-pin 12E-2 times 6 cable provides up to 600W direct power, offering seamless compatibility with next-gen graphics cards. Cooling is optimized with a durable steel shell, large ventilation design, and 120mm fluid dynamic bearing fan for efficient and quiet thermal control. Its compact 140 by 150 by 86mm form factor is 35% smaller, making it ideal for small form factor builds that a complete 6 protection safety suite OCP, OPP, OTP, OVP, SCP, UCP ensures maximum hardware safety and long-term reliability. And our last choice is Airsgame Power Supply 750W 80 Plus Bronze. This 750W semi-modular RTX gaming power supply is a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers who still want stability and reliability. With 80 plus bronze certification and 85% plus efficiency, it ensures reduced power waste and consistent voltage output, keeping your system stable during gaming sessions, multitasking, or heavy workloads. The semi-modular design improves cable management by allowing users to connect only essential cables, resulting in better airflow and a cleaner build. All black sleeve cables add a premium and modern look, avoiding the typical ketchup and mustard color scheme that often ruins aesthetics in budget PSUs. Cooling is handled by a silent and durable 120mm fan, designed to maintain optimal temperatures while minimizing noise, even under load. This makes it suitable for long gaming sessions or quiet environments. For safety, it includes full protection features such as OVP, UVP, OPP, and SCP, ensuring your components are protected from electrical damage. Overall, it delivers dependable performance, clean design, and essential protection at an affordable level. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.